Hello guys, you are welcome to the channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss 15 MCQs on Buddhism, and Buddhism is very important topic for the NET exam because Buddhism holds very important place in ancient Indian history. So those who are watching my channel for the first time, please go and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. One more announcement I want to make, that please follow us on Instagram because every month we conduct 2 quizzes. One quiz is on paper 1 and the other quiz is on paper 2, and if you pass the eligibility criteria to get an e-certificate, then you will also get an e-certificate. So please follow us on Instagram. So here we start. The first question is, the earliest Buddhist literature which deals with the stories of various births of Buddha are Vinaya Pitakas, Sutta Pitakas, Abhidhamma Pitakas, Jatakas. The answer is Jatakas. Jatakas talks about multiple form of birth in which Buddha has been born. The next question is, in Buddhism, what does Patimokkha stands for? A description of Mahayana, Hinayan, the rules of the Sangha, the questions of Menander. The answer is the rules of the Sangha, and this Patimokkha is very important. Please pay attention on this. You might have questions from this. The next question is, where did Buddha attain Parinirvana? Okay, Bodh Gaya, Kushinagara, Rajagiriha, Vaishali. He attained Parinirvana at Kushinagar. That is final moksha. That is final abode from this world. The next question is, the place which contains the relics of Buddha is known as Viharas, Pitakas, Stupas, and the last option is Chaityas. Okay, so the answer is going to be Stupas. The next question is, in which language Buddhist literature was written? Sanskrit, Pali, Prakrit, Hindi. Answer is Pali. The next question is, which of the following contains Buddhist teachings? Chaityas, Jatakas, Puravas, Triptikas. Answer is going to be Triptikas. In this Triptikas we have these teachings of Buddhas. The next question is, in Buddhism, Theri Gatha was verses of Upasikas, Upasaks, verses of elder nuns, verses of Bhikkhu. The answer is going to be C. It was the verses of elder nuns, and it contains more than 500 plus verses and around 73 poems. The next question is, in context with the Mahayana Buddhism faith, the future Buddha is who? Karakchand, Amitabha, Maitreya, and Kanak Muni. The answer is going to be C. According to their imagination, the future Buddha is going to be Maitreya. The next question is, in the context of Gautam Buddha, Kantaka was what? Bodyguard, charioteer, horse, musical instrument. So it was horse. It was the name of horse, Kantaka. The next question is, the first Buddhist council was held during the reign of Ajatasattu, Ashoka, Kanishka, Kalashok. Answer is going to be Ajatasattu. Just after the Parinirvana of Buddha, this council was being held. The next question is, Buddha established Bhikkhuni Sanghas due to the persistent pressure of Upali, Ananda, Prajapati, Gautam, both B and C. So the answer is going to be both B and C, that is D. Because Buddha was very reluctant to allow females to be monk to join their Sangha, because he has this patriarchal kind of thinking that if women are allowed entry, then Buddhism will last only for 500 years instead of 1000 years. So when we look at this, why Buddha was thinking or saying this, then please look at this from the time frame when he was saying in 6th century BCE, and at the time women was seen as an object. Women wasn't given the equal respect. The dignity thing was not there. So because of that construct he was saying this. So understand the context when he is speaking, because it is very important in history what is being said and when, because nothing is like universal for the society, because society keeps on changing from time to time. So he's talking about 6th century BCE. The next question is, according to Buddhist tradition, the superior of all is who? Options are Brahmana, Kshatriyas, one who follows severe asceticism, and one who has attained Nirvana. So the answer is going to be D, because one more thing is here, in Buddha always places Kshatriyas above Brahmans. Okay, but when one who has attained Nirvana, then he is superior to all, even superior to Kshatriyas. So it is very important and striking and different teaching or the thing that he is saying. The next question is, Buddha has his last meal with whom? Ananda, Chunda, Sariputta, Ambapali. Answer is going to be Chunda, and he was at his home, he was having his meal, and he was a blacksmith by profession. The next question is, who is not a Brahmana Bhikkhu? Sariputta, Ananda, Mahamoggallana, Mahakashap. Answer is going to be Ananda. Ananda was Kshatriya, and rest three, A, C, D, they were Brahmins. Ananda and Anirudh, both of them were Kshatriya. And one more thing you should remember, that majority of the monks or bhikkhus that make of Buddhism is Brahmins and Kshatriyas, and it is very very interesting to understand that Buddhism emerged by opposing Brahmanical things, their sacrifice and everything, and majority of the monks also came from that Brahman Varna and Kshatriya Varna. The next question is, consider the following statements. In Buddhism tradition, Nirvana was possible for women. In Buddhism tradition, women can attain Buddhahood directly. The monastic order of monks and nuns were not created during the time of Buddha. And the last is, Tapasvi and Bhalik were the lay followers of Buddha. This one is correct. These two were merchants. This one is wrong, because it was created during the lifetime of Buddha. And the second option is, in Buddhism tradition, women can attain womanhood directly. No, they have this thing that to attain Buddhahood, women has to reborn as a man, then only women can attain Buddhahood. And the first one is, in Buddhism tradition, Nirvana was possible for women. Yeah, so the only two options are correct, that is 1 and 4th. So the answer is going to be B. So guys, this was for today. I hope you will enjoy while solving the MCQs. I will give the PDF link to this practice set in the description box. So download from there, solve it, practice it, share it with your friend, and measure your level of preparation. And please like my video, give your feedback in the comment box, because those comments are very important for me to understand how it is going, whether you like it or not. As well as please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And yeah, please don't forget to follow on Instagram, because you will get all the updates regarding quiz on Instagram, and the link to Instagram is also given in the description box. Thank you.